Thanks to you all for what you're doing every day as preventionists. We're grateful. I'm honored to be here. I want to thank the Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Disabilities, the Voices for Prevention, and the Council on Alcohol and Drugs for putting together this event to recognize Substance Abuse Prevention Advocacy Day. And as substance abuse prevention remains a top priority for those in my administration and myself. During the campaign, I visited with countless families, friends, and neighbors who have personally been impacted by or are struggling with substance abuse. I know that you all know all too well the impact that addiction and substance abuse can have on our families as well as our communities. At a recent meeting at the White House, we discussed what other states across the nation are doing to respond to the opioid epidemic. I was proud to share that Georgia is leading the nation under the strong leadership of Commissioner Judy Fitzgerald, our Attorney General Chris Carr, who's with us today, as well as you all and their teams. We can clap for that, I think. I spoke about the efforts ongoing in Northeast Georgia, where their health system is leading the way in fighting against the neonatal abstinence syndrome. We discussed making sure that our veterans, who are often impacted the most by this, that they have the right to access the appropriate care home close to where they live. We learned about the administration's efforts to allow states more freedom to invest in their substance abuse response programs. My administration has been working tirelessly over the last year to address challenges across Georgia's healthcare spectrum. We've championed the Patients First Act to seek waivers from the federal government to allow for more hard-working Georgians to have access to affordable, quality health care. We're leading the charge on ending surprise billing so that our families no longer fear going bankrupt from an unforeseen bill in the mail. We worked with providers and patients to ensure that government regulations did not interfere with patients getting access to the right medication at the right time. But as you know, there is still more work to be done. We need to continue to invest in mental health counseling in our high schools, focusing on the needs of Georgia families, and stand strong with our communities as they battle addiction and the crisis it brings with it across the state. I'm very honored to be here to present a proclamation officially proclaiming February 20th, 2020 as Substance Abuse Prevention Advocacy Day here in our great state. Our state remains a great place to live, work, and raise a family because of meetings and conversations just like this one. I'm incredibly proud to stand with all of you today in your fight to end substance abuse. And I'm committed to working with you in the days ahead, as Judy said, to ensure that all Georgians have a voice in this critical fight. Thank you all again for being with us, but more importantly, thank you for what you're doing each and every day while no one else is watching. We thank you for that. God bless you all.